Guys, welcome back to this week. Today we're going to be making some supplements. Since the last time we had it, I really enjoyed it from my mum, and summer's coming up, so it would be a very good, nice snack to have during December. It's very easy to make, guys. All you need is strawberry syrup, lime, which is optional, and water. So you can use any syrup, different type of syrup you want, but I decided to use strawberry. The first step I'm going to do is pour the syrup into the water. What is you need in the bag so you can put your juice in and tie them up. So we're going to be using 3 limes, and now we're going to squeeze them. Now I've finished blending juicing all the limes in here. Now it's time to pour the lime into the mixture. Now I'm going to mix it. I'm going to taste it if it's sweet enough. I'm going to put a bit more syrup in there because it's not too sweet. Because if you freeze it, it's going to taste a bit more fresher than it normally is. Let's mix it again. Now I'm going to use these bags to put the juice in. Here it is, guys, our salsa is finished, and this will be perfect to have in the summertime, so when it's hot you can just cool down by having these wonderful salsa. So now we're going to put them in the freezer overnight so they can be nice and frozen for tomorrow. So here we got it, guys. Our salsa have been frozen and ready to enjoy. Catch you guys in the next one.